I always felt that way, but I was a redhead. So I had, my self-esteem was very small. As I've gone older, I've, one, come out of my shy shell. I have learned to accept who I am finally. I'd say, biggest thing is I've grown. I've learned a lot about people. I've learned a lot about different cultures. I've learned a lot about where I fit into the world, and I'm still learning. I'm not everybody's cup of tea, but hey, somebody likes it. My husband likes it. I don't know if that answers the question, but that's kind of where I'm at, because it's just, I am who I am, and I admit it. I am a bull in a china shop. I'm ADHD. I can be a acquired taste, but